Hello folks, Jason here with Rivers West Auction. We've got another great online only auction coming up on April 8th. This is for Cenex Harvest States. This particular sale is across the state of Montana. It covers all of the Mountain West territory as well as the Big Sky territory. We've got items in Kalispell, Ronan, Missoula, Stevensville, Kershaw, Moccasin, Winifred, Broadview, Denton, Coffee Creek, Conrad, Chester, Havre, Cutbank, Shelby, Malta, and probably some that I just forgot. So all of the plants we're doing a cleanup. The new management said let's get rid of all this older inventory, all the older rolling stock, machinery, spreaders, items that just weren't serving them well anymore, but would serve their patrons well somewhere else. So there's about 60 lots in this sale. There's tons of fertilizer tanks. We've got dozens of pickups, most of them early 2000s, a few automobiles. There's I think 8 spreaders or something like that. There's cases, there's laurels, there's tarrigators, there's all that. Just a plethora of equipment. Some of it's non-running. There's a bunch of semis. There's a fertilizer truck, dry hopper type truck, tender I'd call it, great shape, good running outfit. There's fuel trucks, sleeper trucks, day cab trucks, liquid fertilizer trucks, just about anything you could imagine that could serve somebody on their farm or their place. So take a look. This sale is open for bidding now as we speak, and it will close, start closing on the evening of April 1st. Again, if you need to look at anything, give us a holler. We'll on the website, the locations are on there. If you click item location in on that lot, it'll show you right whether it's Conrad or Malta or Stevensville or wherever. Again, that's a great opportunity for all you farmers out there or just buyers in general looking for good vehicles or running, driving. I don't know what else to tell you folks other than get your bid on, get your watch list going, take a look, make some calls. There's a video on everything, so I tell you what I can, what I know. What I was told on site, so everything's there. But we're happy to answer any questions, put you in touch with the right people, get you to the right location to do a preview. I don't know. There you go, folks. Rivers West Auction, and get your bid on.